Our circle time today is about math. We are going to learn how to sort things by different attributes. What does that mean? It means I'm going to take things and divide them into groups by choosing one characteristics or quality of that thing. Okay, let's do this in an easier way. For example, I asked Alia to sort her stories into two groups. So, the first time she did it, she sorted them according to Arabic and English stories, as you can see here. While on the second time, she sorted them according to size. So she decided to put them into three groups. Now here, as you can see, we have three groups: small, medium, and big stories. Another kind of sorting is sorting by colors. And Alia now is going to sort these colors into groups.
I can sort, I can sort, I can sort, sort, sort. I can put them into groups and I can sort, sort, sort. I can sort by color, I can sort by size, I can sort by shape. Any old time, I can sort, I can sort, I can sort, sort, sort. I can put them into groups and I can sort, sort, sort.
Now what I want you to do at home is to use this worksheet and sort the pictures according to their size. Then number 2, I want you to check your toys and then take between 15 to 20 of them and sort them into different ways. Okay, I want you to sort them into 2 different ways. If you can do more than that, that'll be excellent. Then take a video and send it to me. Thank you, Birds class.